how to replace the mass airflow sensor in your Chevy Malibu. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley.
The first thing we're going to do is pop the hood. Go ahead and attach the hood prop. So right here is our mass airflow sensor. So we just need to remove this red locking clip. So I'm going to use my flathead screwdriver to pry that out. And once we get this clip out, just push in on the tab here and you can pull out the electrical connector. The mass airflow sensor is held in with 2 T15 screws. So I'm going to remove those 2 screws and the airflow sensor should come right out. So with the 2 T15 screws out, we can pull out the mass airflow sensor. And installation is just the reverse of the removal process. So we're going to take our new mass airflow sensor, put it into the air box, and reinstall the 2 screws. Snap the connector back on. Reinstall the locking clip. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.